Hey guys, and welcome to another tutorial here with Yousif Alias here at KENJI CRM. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you what KENJI is capable of, and one of the best features that I'm very proud of KENJI is the funnels and the websites. We actually have KENJI's funnels, KENJI's website created on KENJI itself. So if you guys found us using the KENJI website, hey, it worked, okay? So this is how you create the funnels. It's pretty much very similar to ClickFunnels. If you have used ClickFunnels, you should be very familiar with this. It's basically a step-by-step. You can have a step in each funnel, and then each time they complete a certain step, they can go to the next step. So my funnel is pretty much for you to buy KENJI, and then along the funnel, it will take you to actually sign up for KENJI. All right. So in KENJI, you can also create websites. All right. So you can create a new website. You can choose from templates, or you can create from scratch, and you can create as many pages as you want. And you can have your home page, you can have a contact page, and you can link them all together when you create your menu. If you've used any website creator in the past, this is the easiest website and the funnel creator ever invented. And you also have your membership area as well. So you can check your members. If you create a membership area, if you have products, you can add all your products, and people will have access to your product right here. To add your product, you just click on there. Then you can start building either a sprint course or a marathon course. You can build a membership, or you can build your own kind of thing. I recommend the sprint course because it just takes them quickly through what you need them to take them through, and just like that, you will have your own membership area and your own course. All right, I hope this video was informative about KENJI's funnels and website builder. It's very simple. It's similar, and if not easier, than ClickFunnels, and everything is integrated within KENJI. So if somebody fills out a form right here on the contact page, they're going to be added as an opportunity on your opportunity dash. All right, so everything is connected, and connected using the triggers, which is in the next video that we're going to explain. So go ahead to the triggers video and learn what you can do with triggers. See you guys on the next video.